FA015, Emergency Communication Systems. Emergency Communication Systems, ECS, to be installed in conjunction with a fire alarm system shall be installed in accordance with NFPA 72, Chapter 24. An ECS may utilize the main fire alarm control unit and the voice evacuation system to comprise a complete and operational system. An ECS may be a standalone system that is not part of a fire alarm system. ECS were developed at the request by the Department of Defense following several high-profile terrorist attacks in the Middle East. ECS may include emergency voice alarm communication systems, firefighter telephones, pagers, reverse 911, or other means. This program primarily focuses on in-building emergency communication systems. Voice intelligibility is required in most common areas, such as lobbies, meeting rooms, core areas, corridors. And intelligibility is covered by NFPA 72 Annex D, and meters are available for testing intelligibility in these areas. Emergency communication systems necessary equipment: initiating devices, notification appliances, an evacuation system. Initiating devices and notification appliances for emergency communication systems. Initiating devices. ECS systems use manual initiating devices as well as panel control features. And for notification, they use strobes and speakers. A typical ECS panel contains recorded messages, message selection switches, a microphone, silence switch, trouble indicator, power supply, and batteries for backup, as well as an interconnection to the FACU, or the Fire Alarm Control Unit. An ECS may or may not be integral with the fire alarm system. Some agencies require interconnection when two separate systems are used, but prefer integrated systems. Devices required for an ECS shall be marked as such: bomb threat, high threat, severe weather, all clear. ECS message priority may allow some events to have priority over the fire alarm system. Priority events may include bomb threats, gas leaks, severe weather, and the such. ECS manual pull boxes must be different colors than fire alarm manual alarm pull boxes. This is to avoid any confusion during an event that may not be a fire, such as severe weather or a bomb threat. Visual strobes that are sometimes amber in color operate when an ECS message is being transmitted. These visual appliances must be marked with the word alert. ECS message priority may allow some events to have priority over the fire alarm system. Priority events may include bomb threats, gas leaks, severe weather, and the such. ECS voice capabilities. Signals can be made by an operator trained on the system and/or pre-recorded messages. Pre-recorded messages can be initiated by either a manual or automatic signal by an operator. The system shall be programmed and designed to permit different messages to be sent to different zones. Types of ECSs include area of rescue assistance, in-building emergency phone system or firefighters' telephones, scream alert system, mass text system, reverse 911, computer display notification. And here's an example of a Typical LED message board for an ECS system. Shelter in place, unsafe condition. So you can see how this is more along the lines of emergency communication, not necessarily just fire. More specific information on these systems will be covered later in this course.